Pace is
Regan,
good.
this is good. Regan, what is your feedback? I'm moving fast or my speed is perfectly fine?
No, it's honestly perfect.
Thank you so much. And I would request to both of you, if you feel difficulty, let's say if I move with rapidly or if I put more speed, you can highlight your concern and we can reduce it. Okay. Now, this is the data. Now my question is from Regan. Regan, I want to get, let's say, percentage share. How can I do that? Percentage share.
You want to add a percentage?
Let's say this is my data and I want to see the percentage. Let's say if I delete it, I want to see, let's say this is the total value. I want to see what is the percentage share of this, what is the percentage share of this, what is the percentage share of this. How can I do that? Is equal to this divided by total. Okay, through this we can get our percentage value, but now you can see this answer gives you the in fraction. I want to change it into the percentage because the formula for to get the percentage share is divide the individual value with the total value. This is my total value. Total value. Okay. Now, if I want to get the percentage share, definitely I would divide this number is equal to divide this with total value. Up till now, it is clear. Regan, Nicole, fine.
Yes.
Yes.
But the issue is that answer is in fraction, but I want to get my result in percentage. How can I do that? In the home tab, in the number formatting, I can change it from general to the percentage. Wow, I just get my desired answer in percentage without multiply by with 100 or applying the percentage, etc. I get my desired answer. Okay, and likewise, you can reduce, increase decimal, or you can reduce decimal from there. Okay, now I want to get this percentage for all other cells. How will I do that? Simply drag it down, but I get error. Oh, what is the error? Here the answer is correct, but here the answer is not correct. Why? Can anyone judge what is the issue behind there?
It's because it's loading in the wrong row. It says E20,
No.
it should be E20.
Very good, very good. You point out the perfect direction. Nicole, you got the point. Why the answer is not correct? Here you can see E5 divided by E20. That's fine. But when I drag my formula down, here you can see it moves down, but it also moves down. And to get the right answer, I should lock it. Let's say if I put it E20, I will get my desired answer. And if I put here E20, I will get my desired answer. But my question is that for that purpose, I will do manually for each cell. Isn't? Is it the solution? Regan, what do you think? This is the right solution? Let's say go there and apply E20 again. Go there and apply E20 again. Or not? Regan?
What?
Is it the right way?
Yeah, it's the right one. If you're plugging in E20, I thought you were showing us how you were gonna do it the whole thing.
But this is very time consuming. That's why I don't recommend you to go through this way. And for that purpose, because I want to lock this cell, for that purpose, you can apply here dollar sign. Dollar sign means I want to log my cell reference. In Excel, there are three types of cell reference. One is relative reference. Second is absolute reference. Absolute. Okay. And next is mixed reference. Relative reference means there is no dollar sign. No dollar sign. You can see in the formula there is no dollar sign in each cell, because whenever I will go down, it will automatically move each cell. but I want to lock E20. For that purpose, I will apply the dollar sign, and to apply the dollar sign, you will apply F4. Automatically, dollar sign will apply into the each cell. Now, whenever I will drag it, now you can see formula is being applied easily. Now, because E20 is locked and cell is moving down as I move down my position. This is called absolute reference. Dollar sign means it will lock your cell. It will lock your cell even by drag down. Okay, got my point? Let's do this again. Nicole, I want to get the percentage share of each salesperson. How can I do that? Nicole?
Okay, so you would click on you do percent.
No, don't need to apply the percent. Equal to simple divide it. E5
Okay,
divided
yeah, equal.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, but I don't want to get percentage. I want to get my answer in fractions. How can I change it?
Your answer in what?
I want to change this percentage into fractions.
Okay. So you would click on it.
Go there in the number tab. The shortcut is Control 1.
Control 1.
Control 1 is the shortcut. You see this is the general formatting. This is the number formatting. You can increase or decrease the decimals. You can apply their separators. This is the currency format. But right now, because we are working with percentages, that's why I put their percentage with only 2 decimals. Wow, I just get the right answer. Now, I want to get this answer for all my cells. How will I do that?
You would drag it down.
Okay, let me drag it down. But answer is not correct. Why?
Oh yeah, you said that.
I want to get my answer because as I move down, this cell is going down.
Yeah.
For that purpose, what should I do? I should lock this cell E20. Okay, because I want to move down this cell. This is fine, but I don't want move down this cell. That's why I will lock E20. Now the question arises, how can I lock this cell? Just go there. I just brief you before. You will apply the dollar sign. It will lock your cell by drag down. And to apply the dollar sign, I will write F4. I will apply F4 here. Go there. F4. Now drag down.
So you would do F4 all the way down. So you would do F4 right above or right beside the last one, the last number?
Yes. F4. By applying F4, this cell will be locked. Now you can see in my formula.
Okay.
This cell is moving down, but E20 is being locked. Now let's do this again with the help of Regan. Regan, can you do this for me again? I just forgot what I did it.
All right.
Is equal to.
So you're gonna do equals, and then you're gonna do E5 divided by E20. Hit enter. Yep. And then after that, if you want to find the rest of them, you could go up and then hit F4 into the formula column, or you could either add the dollar signs if you wanted to do it manually, and then you would go back down and then drag all the way down, and then you would get your percentages.
Okay, now I want to change these percentages into the decimal. How can I do that?
You would click into so you'd click F1.
Control 1 is the shortcut.
Yeah, you control 1 button. Control 1.
In the control one, there are multiple options. Let's go through all the options. Right now it is in the percentage. You can change it into the general format. You can see this is the general format. Press control one and change it into the percentage with, let's say, 4 decimals. I can change it. Press control one. There are multiple options. You can change the alignments here. Let's say you can change it to the left indent or right indent. This is the right indent. Control one. This is the left indent. This is the left indent. Control one. You can fill, justify, or you can change the text direction with different angle. Means there are a bunch of options in Microsoft Excel. I just change the position. Sometimes it's very important to change the position. Now you will see, oh, why the answer is coming in this direction. For that purpose, you will just go to the control one. It will give you that, oh, I just apply the different degrees. Now 0 is fine. That's it. Okay. Now I can change my cell direction. I will select the whole data, control one, and let's apply the 0 degree. Now my data is fine. Okay, up till now it is fine.
Yes.
My question is from Nicole. Nicole, you can see the percentages with 4 decimal points, but I want to reduce it up to 1 decimal point. How can I do that?
So you would control one,
Okay.
and then you would go to number,
Good.
and then decimal places move to 1.
Okay. Now, let's say if I want to highlight the background color with this, I want to change the font size with a different theme. Let's say this one with bold and with different color. Let's say red one. Now my question is from both of you. In fact, I have applied multiple formatting in this cell. Now I want to apply the same formatting in this cell as well. How will I do that? Will I repeat my steps again and again? Let's say go there, change it. In fact, I can't remember what I did before. Give the background color, red color, give the theme, let's say this one. But still I did not get my answer. Means I want to copy my formatting into rest of cell. How can I do that?
Would you
Do you know?
Control C?
Control C. Okay, then
And then shift down and then hit enter.
shift down and enter. Now you can see you get your desired answer, but because there is a formula over there, sometimes it happens. Let's say if I copy it and control V, now you can see the answer is not right. The best way for is that, let me undo this. Best way is that select the cell, then go there, format printer, click there. Automatically it will pick your formatting into the multiple cells.
Okay.
Okay, just
Okay.
go there, click there, apply here, go there. Now if you want to apply this into the multiple cells, select it and apply, double click, 1 2, apply there, apply there, apply there, apply there, apply there. Then when you're done, just press escape. Now you can do there again and again. Now if you see I want to move back my actions, there are multiple options. Oh, I don't want to format it, I don't want to bold it, font size, autofill. Okay, it definitely move into the rest of cells. Okay,
Okay.
up till now it is fine. We should repeat it, or you're fine, we should move into the next step.
Yes.
Okay, let's repeat what we have done so far. Can you repeat, Dragon, from scratch? What is the difference between workbook and the worksheet?
Workbook and the worksheet. So workbook is the name of the whole thing, and then a worksheet is each sheet. So like the book is like the overall project, and then there could be different sheets for that same project, I guess.
Very good. In a single Excel sheet, in a single Excel workbook, Nicole, How many worksheets we can have?
As many as you need.
Yes, very good. And it is more than, you can say, 256 or even 300. Now, I want to rename this worksheet. How can I do that? Nicole?
Either hit the right click button on the mouse, right click on the mouse, and then
Double click?
yeah, or double click it.
Rename it.
And rename.
Or simple right click and go to the rename and give the new name like this. Nicole, I want to give the blue color of this rename sheet. How can I do that?